Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to remove files that are shared with you on Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see here, I can see my recently used files under suggested. Here I can see all of my folders that I have grouped my files into them, and if I scroll down a bit more, I can see all the files that I have that aren't grouped in any folder. So guys, let's go back to the top of the page and let's go ahead and look at the left side of the screen. Here you will see multiple options that you have for managing your files. You can see your Drive files, you can see your share files right here, your recent, your trash, storage, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and open up the Share With Me category right here. So guys, go ahead and open up Share With Me. And now you'll see that this will see you all the files that you have been sharing with someone else, or that they have shared with you or you with them. So as you can see here, I have some files that I have been sharing, and now let's say I want to remove one of them. How do I do that guys? Well, it's very easy. What you want to do is go ahead and find the file that you want to remove, and then you have to go ahead and right click on the file. Go ahead guys and right click on the file, and now after right clicking you'll get this drop down menu with multiple options and you will be able to remove the file. So let's say I want to remove this file, go ahead, right click it, and go ahead and click the remove option right here. Clicking remove guys, this will now successfully remove the file from our share with me option, and you will no longer see the file right here in the share with me category. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.